Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are so good. So let's get started. Today we are going to into a topic that affects all of us, which is stress. So it's really important to talk on this topic. It's really important to know what we are going through. So let's begin. I have some tips that I shared, that I gone through, and that I experienced, and I'm going to share with you all. So stress is a thing that can affect any one of us, and it can occur in any situation. Stress is something that anybody can have, like in school to college to workspace, or even just in a daily life. We are forgetting actually how stress can toll on our well-being. So it's really necessary to time realize and remember that it is important to find some way, get some help, especially when you are having stress. So first thing first is I want to talk about how important it is to take a break for yourself. When you're feeling overwhelmed, it's really necessary to take a step back. It's a crucial step. Take a step back and give yourself a moment to breathe. It's really important. It is something that you'll need any time, like in school, in your work, in your weekend getaways also, or in home also, in home. So taking that time for yourself can significantly reduce the stress. Second way to manage the stress is my favorite. To unwind, I like to go on a walk. Being in nature, getting a fresh air can do all wonders to your mind and body. So always take time and go for a walk. It can help you reduce your stress and clear your mind just on a going walk. Third is we can manage stress by some time management applications also, and like keeping a planner, keeping a journal will help you clear your schedule, or will help you prioritize your task. Please make sure you write to-do list so that you will prioritize your work, your task, what you want to do. Make sure to schedule a me time each day. No matter what time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you need to have it for yourself. That will help you clear your mind and reduce your overwhelmed emotions also. It's always necessary to keep that extra time for you. And I think somewhere our space, cleanliness, organized space also plays a crucial role. You need to have an organized work environment, organized house. And clutter environment leads to clutter free mind. So that is best. Take a few minutes each day to make your workspace feel like a home vibe, so you create a peaceful atmosphere. It will always help you. Another way of managing stress is also maintaining a balanced diet, which all of us don't really follow, but we should follow. And getting enough sleep of 7 to 8 hours each night is really essential to manage the stress. When you sleep for 7 to 8 hours, your body will get a time to recover and function at its best. Maintaining diet is also helpful to reduce all your stress, and in your diet especially have vegetables, rich fruits, whole grain, and avoid excessive caffeine or sugar-free foods. These foods only increase anxiety. So instead of this, opt for a balance-free diet, which will help calm your immune system and your mind also. Another thing is really essential, and I feel it plays important role in managing stress, which is physical activity. Physical activity you should follow and you should do. When you do physical activity, body releases endorphins, which is a natural mood booster. So you don't need to hit gym for 1 to 2 hours. You just need 20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of yoga session that can make a big difference. And the last one is I feel really plays a vital role, which is don't hesitate to talk to your friends or family member, whoever that you are comfortable with. It's really necessary to take third perspective. It's really necessary to take a third opinion. So when you're at your lowest point, somebody is at their highest point. So it's really best to to keep the advice, and don't hesitate in this situation. If you do this, if you talk to any one of the people that you like or you feel comfortable with, you will feel less alone. So this works wonder. Another crucial step I feel is practice mindfulness or meditation, we can say. Just by doing some few minutes of practicing or your practicing breathing techniques or focusing on your breathing technique and concentrating on a present moment will help you clear your mind and reduce anxiety instantly. This also boosts up your mood, and this is also a great way to unwind and recharge yourself. So practice these techniques. This helps a lot. So try out all these tips, how relaxed you feel and in control. Let me know in the comment what technique or what tips you followed, and thank you for watching.